When I was a little child, and the devil would call my name, I'd say, who do you think you're fooling? I'm a consecrated child. I'm a singer in a Sunday choir. My daddy loves me, he loves me. He gets down on his knees and hugs me. Yes, he loves me like a rock. He rocks me like the rock of ages and loves me. He loves me, loves me, loves me. When I was grown to be a woman, and the devil would call my name, I'd say, who do you think you're fooling? I'm a consecrated woman. There is nothing you can do to me. I know God loves me, God loves me, and sends a gentle breeze to hug me. Yes, God loves me like a rock, and rocks me like the rock of ages, and loves me, and loves me, loves me, loves me, loves me. When I wake up every day, and despair calls my name, wake up every day, I say, who do you think you're fooling? Wake up every day, I don't have to be discouraged. I've got my loves and my community, people who love me, and get down on their knees and hug me. Yes, they love me like a rock, rock me like the rock of ages, and love me. They love me, love me, love me, love me. They love me, love me, love me.